What's up my friends, my name Edward. In this video I will show you how to make colored smoked granite. Let's do it! For making colored smoked granite we need gas cooker, potassium nitrate, sugar and oil crayons. First we need to mix 50% potassium nitrate, 40% sugar and 10% baking soda. Then we put oil crayons in the pan. And mix with the base that would be done before. On one oil crayons we need to put 5 tablespoons of mixture. We have done very cool and beautiful colored smoked granite. Let's check this out. So, it's very cool, it was very beautiful and rich color. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, see you next time!